Hi everyone and welcome back. This is Mindy Eggen for Hero Arts, and in today's video I am going to walk you through the My Monthly Hero Kit for October 2021 and share with you some inspiration from the creative team featuring this kit. So the theme this month is a Victorian Christmas with a hint of steampunk. You will receive a 6x8 clear stamp and coordinating frame cuts. You also receive a window shop cover plate die, 6 pieces of biodegradable acetate sheets that are 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, 7 sheets of cardstock in assorted holiday colors that are 5 1/2 by 8 1/2, and also a 0.5 ounce of Prisma glitter, which is perfect for holiday card making. This kit values at $72 and, as always, is sold at a reasonable price of $34.99. We have a special surprise for you this month, starting with our October 2021 kit. All My Monthly Hero kits will arrive packaged in a handy, reusable zipper pouch. These are also going to be sold in a 5-pack, so if you want to put some of your past kits in them, then this is going to be a great add-on option for you. These zipper pouches are also great for traveling, on-the-go crafting, putting toys in, your makeup, or whatever else you can store in these. The 5-pack contains 8x10 zipper pouches made of sturdy, long-lasting material with a substantial zipper. To make this a little easier for you to see, I went ahead and stamped out all of the images on the stamp set. So starting with that large image, the Christmas tree, beautiful Christmas tree with presents underneath. We have a table that you can set items on, like the fruit bowls or the candles. And there's also some decorative elements on here and some old-fashioned toys. Here is that cute little tricycle that I just went ahead and colored off screen to show you how that would look colored in. Then these are the sentiments that are included in the set, including Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. You could put Happy Holidays to you or Merry Christmas to you, or from all of us, Cheers, Sending an Abundance of Joy, and Merry Christmas. Then we also have the coordinating dies for the images, and then the window shop cover plate die, which is really gorgeous. You see you have the window shop that you can cut out, or also the frame to go with that. And this does fill up the front of an A2 size card nicely. So here I have an example die cut out from just white cardstock to show you how that would look. There is a lot of detail embedded into that cardstock. Beautiful, beautiful die cut window frame. You'll be seeing this put to use from the creative team at the end of the video. Then here's a quick look at the assortment of holiday colors of cardstock that you are receiving. You can die cut out that window frame from any one of these colors, or score them in half and create your card base from these. And then here is a look at a card that I created using the My Monthly Hero Kit for October 2021. I die cut out that window frame from the red cardstock that's included in the kit. I also used a piece of acetate behind the window and popped that up with some foam tape just to make it more realistic, like a window scene. And then I added some detail by using a Copic marker and just going over those embossed lines that are on that cardstock. Now let's take a look at some more inspiration from the creative team. They really outdid themselves by using a lot of the elements to create tables for a feast. We have some party favors. You could do the window scene either looking into a shop or into a home, or you could have it where you're inside and looking out to a winter scene. You can see that that window die looks great die cut from any colors that either are in the kit or that you may have in stash. We also have some no-line coloring that you could do with the Christmas tree or by heat embossing. We also have a beautiful tri-fold card where you would open up the card to reveal the scene on the inside. Or you can pair this with any one of the add-ons this month to really extend the life of your kit. You can become a subscriber or pick up the kit individually over at heroarts.com. These are in limited quantity and will not be restocked once they are sold out. We hope you love this month's kit just as much as we do. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.